Hello beautiful people, Kay here and welcome back to my social. For today's video guys, come let's do an Amazon unboxing with me. Since free tayo today, I'm so glad, I'm so happy na dumating yung mga orders ko from Amazon. I've got 3 boxes here, 2 little one, tapos itong malaki. I am so excited kung ano kaya yung mga orders ko. So, that being said, let's start from here. Ano kaya to? Let's open. Nana, I know what is this. This is actually a hair removal that I've seen that it caught my attention on Amazon. It got 5 reviews, which means it's really good. It's durable and this is the color of my choice, but there's a different kind of colors, different sizes as well if you guys want. The thing in here is that it is rechargeable, it's not battery, and it is very handy, most especially for those ladies who loves traveling or have a party or have a meeting to attend to and there is no time to go for waxing. It's very easy. All you have to do is to charge and ganyan lang. Remove the hair right there, your mustache or to your kilikili or to your eyebrows. Yeah. I do not have those just yet, but just in case Cassie and I will gonna need it, I bought it for ourselves. So yeah, it's actually on sale on Amazon guys, kaya kung gusto nyo, order na. Syempre, ang lola nyo, hindi ako. I'm not ordering an expensive one. Naka-sale lahat yan. It's very affordable. It's a color of your choice as well. So yeah, let's move on to this. Ano kaya ito guys? Tingnan natin kung ano to. I am really excited kasi kung ano-ano na lang yung ino-order ko guys. Pero let's open this box. So, I am so excited to open this box again. Ano kaya to? It's a square. I can't remember a square thing that I bought. But yeah, excited ako. Oh, no, I remember. It's a lye. It's a hydrochloride one. For some reason, it's cheaper to buy online than going to the store ka. I bought it kasi nga, gagawa tayo ng homemade soap. Paabangan nyo yan, guys. And yeah, it's a skin essentials. And next, dito naman tayo sa fitted sheet. I am so disappointed it was delivered barely like this without a box. Literally, just like that. So anyhow, I bought 2 sets of fitted sheet. One for me, one for us, and one for our daughter. And I bought a white color, queen size, and it's hypoallergenic fitted sheet as well. I don't know, I'm obsessed with white color ever since. When it comes to my beddings, I feel like it's comfortable and cozy pag matutulog ka. So yeah. And here we are. Let's open the next box. This is gonna be the last box that I'm going to unbox from Amazon. And baka nandito na talaga yung hinihintay ko, guys. I swear. Magugustuhan nyo kung ano yung ipapakita ko sa inyo that I actually watch it from TikTok and napabili ako. So yeah. That being said, here we go. Bakit pink? Oh, I remember guys, baka it comes all together. That's why it comes all together with a 1 box thing. Yeah. So I actually ordered another set of beddings for my daughter. So yeah, there are different colors, different sizes. So obviously I bought a pink color with a duvet cover with 2 pillowcases. It's really hypoallergenic kasi si Cassie, she's very sensitive sa acne niya. Nagkaka-acne siya pag hindi siya hypoallergenic na bedding. So yeah. And when it comes to beddings, to me, I do not like dark colors. I just like the plain colors alone. I don't like stripe and stuff like that. So yeah. Parang ano lang, plain colors lang. And it's actually all bright colors that I preferred when it comes to my bedding. So yeah. And it goes with that. O diba? With a fitted sheet. White fitted and then duvet cover. And ito na talaga guys. Ayan o. This is the one that I've been waiting for. I've watched many times in a video from TikTok from the Philippines that she's been using this to make her own coffee at home. It's a DIY, tapos napaka-ano talaga, as in, parang napakaganda na you make your own coffee. Ano ba ang hirap mag-Tagalog? Pag mag-Ilocano naman o mag-Igorot ako, obviously, not everyone could understand. So, yeah. Ayan, ano ba ang tawag nito? Mixer ba? But anyhow, ayan. I am so excited guys. This is on sale on Amazon. Tapos, I tried to search kung meron kasi this is a TikTok from the Philippines na available nga daw. You can make your own coffee latte or cappuccino. And kaya naman ako napa-Amazon haul is because of that talaga. Yun talaga yung purpose ko to buy this. And I am so lucky that I found it. But my bad, I should buy the bigger one at different sizes, not rechargeable. I just bought the cheap one. You know, you have to put in a battery. It's a double A size of the battery for this. Yeah, but there's also an electric one. It's more expensive. So dito na lang muna tayo sa cheap to try out. Pero kung maganda naman, then bili tayo pag meron tayong budget. So yeah, ayun lang guys, I am so excited and for sure I am going to show you on my next video kung paano yan gamitin. I'm so excited na gagawa ako ng morning coffee latte or cappuccino or my flat white talaga as in. Yun lang guys, thank you for watching. Bye!